Good morning. It's Wednesday, 24th April 2024. Welcome to the pre-market commentary. This is your friendly neighborhood analyst, Vijay, detailing out what happened yesterday and what we can expect today. Please note that I'm not a SEBI-registered analyst, so this commentary is based on facts and figures which I've gleaned, and also my opinion is my own opinion and not based on anybody else's opinion. So if you like this broadcast, kindly like, share, and subscribe. So the title for today is VIX gone for a 6. Normally, I am not a great fan of VIX, though a lot of people swear by it. They base their option pricing based on the movement of VIX. The reason I am not a fan is because VIX is not traded here, unlike in the US. So VIX actually gives you the right picture of the volatility and the impending volatility. But those people who swore by VIX were swearing at VIX yesterday because all of a sudden it fell 20%, 20% plus, and it closed around 10. Now, I was just as a history buff, I was looking at when has VIX done something like this. I could only sense it somewhere in February of 2020 when VIX suddenly fell, but it recovered by the end of the day, such a large fall. Now, if you go back, I think if you look at from 2014 when VIX was introduced in India, I am unable to see any day where such a move has happened. And surprisingly, the move was such that VIX closed almost at the low of the day, which is normally what happens is whenever there is such a fall, it bounces back, but it does not. Now, what to make of it, I have no clue. But a lot of people who are scratching their heads, I leave them to do that. So what happened yesterday? Bulls opened with a big gap. There was all-round euphoria. While Nifty and Bank Nifty were strong through the day, by the end of the day, they lost some ground, but they still closed significantly in the positive. Small cap index made an all-time high. Maruti made an all-time high. Reliance disappointed, despite the media talking of it to be great results. I was expecting Reliance to be damp, and that's exactly what happened. HDFC Bank fell for the second day in a row. Now, what happened in the US? US futures were good. Therefore, the market there also did very well, and everyone's eyes were on Tesla's results. Tesla's results came after the market. Results were poor, but as usual in the markets, after hours market, there is always a different kind of reaction. And Tesla, as we go to recording, was up about 13-14%. So we will see NASDAQ up today, but I don't know about the Dow and S&P. As of now, the futures are not showing any bright spark. The fund flow here, while the turnover was normal, FIIs sold again at 3,000 plus, and DIIs matched them by buying equivalent to that. So there is a tussle going on between DIIs and FIIs, and I don't know how long this will continue. Gold and silver, which were crushed in the morning, it was crushed day before yesterday, got crushed during the day, but silver bounced back sharply, and gold also has bounced back, but it's a moderate bounce back, whereas silver is the more volatile of the two. So oil, DXY, and yields were all steady. So nothing significant to report from there. This morning, Asian markets have opened strongly, with Nikkei really doing very well and Hang Seng also following. GIFT Nifty is showing gap up of about 40-50 points. We should expect that. And what happens later is what to be seen. But you can expect a lot of volatility because of the Bank Nifty expiry. And so therefore, one has to be very careful in bank stocks. We are watching three stocks, which are McDowell, Bata, and SBI Card. We have long positions there as a disclaimer. So whatever you do today, let it be profitable. Thank you for joining here.